Everyone, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First, open the settings, then go to biometrics and password, mark fingerprint ID, and at first set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Here you can change it, but let me stay with pin code. Okay, so it was too easy. Okay, this one is also not a difficult one, but let's leave it. And now mark unlock device. So now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. Just click on add fingerprint, and the fingerprint sensor is located on the screen, so just in the middle of it. Keep tapping with your finger till it's fully added. You can observe the progress on the screen. Click on done. Once it's done, as you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.